Hi, let me show you how easy it is to get a file that you've placed inside an archival volume and it's not on your local device, either because you've exceeded your cache size or because you just logged in a new device and you don't have a cache yet. Let's go inside this archival volume and see what happens when I try to open one of the files. As you can see, the file is not here, so it's impossible to open. What you have to do is just right-click on the file, go to Vawlt, Fetch, and this will initiate the process to get the file from the clouds. When it's ready, you can open it. I've already done this on this file, so as you can see, the process is in progress and we just have to wait. That's it. Let us know if you have any questions.